Worksheet number 9, reaction rate. So here, what is a catalyst? Something added to reaction to slow it down, something added to a reaction to speed it up, something added to a reaction just for fun, something added to a reaction to change its concentration. So here, catalyst, substance that speed up the rate of reaction. So something added to reaction to speed it up. So the correct answer is B. Now question number 2. Which factors that would affect the rate of reaction? Temperature, yes. Why? Because as temperature increases, number of collisions increases, so the rate of reaction increases. Adding catalyst, yes, because catalyst lowering the activation energy for the reaction, so it speed it up. Concentration, yes, as concentration increases, amount of substance increases, so number of collisions between them increases, so the rate of reaction increases. So all of the above, so the correct answer is E. Now, if I wanted to increase the collision between particles in aqueous solution, I would raise the pressure. Here, if you remember, as pressure increases, particles become crowded to each other, number of collisions between them increases, so the rate of reactions increases. But you have to memorize that pressure is used for gas particles, only gas particles. And here you have aqueous solution. So pressure does not affect the rate of aqueous solution. Decrease the temperature. The relation between temperature and number of collisions, direct relationship. So here in the question, increase the collision, so must increase the temperature, not decrease the temperature. Here increase the concentration, yes. Why? Because as concentration of substance increases, number of particles increases, they become crowded to each other, so number of collisions between them increases, so the rate of reaction increases. So the correct answer is C. Now question number 4. What factor can be increased to provide more collisions for gases only? For gases only. So here, for gases only, the only factor that affects the collision of gas only is pressure, because temperature affects the rate of liquid substance and gases substances. Surface area affects the rate of solid substance and powder case. Pressure, it just affects the gas substances, only gas substances, so this is the correct answer. Which of the following statements regarding the use of catalyst is false? Catalyst lower the activation energy for the reaction, yes. So here, catalyst, substance that speed up the rate of reaction by providing an alternative pathway for the reaction with lower activation energy. So here, lower the activation energy, yes. Providing an alternative reaction pathway from reactant to product, yes. Catalyst lower the energy of reaction, delta E. So catalyst affect delta E, no. So this is the false statement. So the correct answer is C. Why? Here, delta E, or energy of reaction, is the energy difference between products and reactants. And with or without using catalyst, the energy difference between products and reactants is fixed. So catalyst just decrease the activation energy, not the energy of the reaction. Now question 6. As the temperature of reaction is increased, the rate of reaction increases because Collagens of reactants molecules decreases? No. As temperature increases, kinetic energy increases, so collagens increases. Collagens of reactant molecules increases and with less energy? No. Because as temperature increases, kinetic energy increases, and as kinetic energy increases, energy of collagens increases. So here false and false. Collagen of reactant molecule increases, yes, and with greater energy, yes. This is the correct answer. So, C. Of the following will lower the activation energy for a reaction. So the only factor that lower the activation energy is adding catalyst. So direct here, adding catalyst, the correct answer is C. Now 8. Catalyst increases the rate of reaction by increasing the concentration of reactants? No. It just increase the rate of reaction by lowering the activation energy. Decreasing the concentration of reactants? No. Increasing the activation energy? No. Decreasing the activation energy? Yes. Why? Because as activation energy decreases, rate of reaction increases. So the correct answer is D. Now, question 9. The speed of chemical reaction is constant no matter what the temperature is? No, because it depends on the temperature. Is independent of the amount of contact surface of the solid involved? No, because rate of reaction depends on the surface area. Between gases is rapid because the average kinetic energy of the molecule is great? Yes, why? Because in gas particles they are far apart from each other, so they are free to move. Number of collagens between them increases, so the rate of reaction increases. So the correct answer is C. A catalyst actually participates in the reaction? No, because here definition of the catalyst, without itself being chemically changed or consumed. Does not affect a reaction energy? Yes. It lowers the activation energy, but the energy of reactions is fixed. So this is the correct answer. Crushing a solid into a powder will increases the reaction rate because. So here, in powder case, more particles are in contact with each other, so number of collagens increases, so the rate of reaction increases. So here, the particles will collide with more energy. No, the number of collagens increases, but the energy does not affect if powder or not. The orientation of colliding particles will be improved. No. So the activation energy will be lowered? No, just catalyst affect the activation energy. The powder form has more surface area? Yes. So more surface area? Surface area means particles, so area that particles that are in contact with another. So with each other. So here number of particles that in contact, here magnesium, contact with hydrochloric acid greater than number of particles of magnesium that in contact with hydrochloric acid. Here just the surface particles, but here almost all the particles are in contact with each other, so a number of collagens increases. Question 12. Increasing the concentration increases the speed of reaction by. What is the effect of concentration? So as concentration increases, number of particles increases, so collagens between them increases. So here lowering the activation energy? No, just catalyst affect the activation energy. Increasing the collagens? Yes, because number of particles increases. So the correct answer is B. 13. In order to accelerate the rate of chemical reaction, there are two things which we can do. Pick the correct combination. So here, factors that affect the rate of reactions, number of collisions, and the energy of collisions. So as number of collisions increases, or as energy of collisions increases, so the rate of reactions increases. So here, decreases the chances of particles collision and increases the energy of the particles collide. Increasing the energy, okay, but here decreasing number of collisions, false. Increasing the chances of particles collision and increases the energy, yes, this is the correct answer. Now, which of these graphs shows the mass of catalyst as the reaction takes place? So here, if you remember from the definition of catalyst, without itself being chemically consumed or changed. So the mass of catalyst fixed. So which of these represent fixed? C. So this is the correct answer. Now the last question. Catalyst increases the rates of chemical reaction without itself being consumed in the reaction. Yes, true. The activation energy of a reaction is lowered by a catalyst for the reaction. Yes. Because activation energy is lowered, so the rate of reaction increases. Yes, so it's a CE question. Thank you.